Hi, this is Amin. In this video, I'm going to share you how to add a new ad group on your campaign. After publishing a campaign, you can add multiple campaign based on your keyword. So first of all, you have to sign in your Google Ad account. Then you have to click the campaign option and select the campaign which you want to add your ad group. I selected my targeted campaign, and here you can see ad group. Just click new one. So after clicking the ad group, you will show here you can see ad group name. So here you can write your ad group name. Okay, so write your ad group name, then paste your keyword here. So I just paste this keyword. Just a minute. Just paste here and save and continue the next option. Then you have to write your ad, home skylogs, year, baker. Just I write the home, some ad copy. So just a minute. I already buy aircraft lockout device. I just copy this one and paste here. Okay. Oh, this is a long. I will use I use best American lock aircraft lock tools. I will use second one. Then I have a purchase safety order. I will use this one. So you have to write ad copy before creating a campaign. That will be organized work. So you need to write a campaign. This is one. So now you write to description. So will the circuit breaker. Okay. So I will add some images. So I will add some images from our website. Just website or social. Just I paste skylogs.com and this one, copy this one and search here. If you search, then this is scanning now. Here you can see lots of images you can use. Okay, so maybe I will use some from here. Maybe asset library is perfect, so I will just click this one. Okay, so website already we have some aircraft. Okay, website dismiss this one. Okay, save and continue. I have added. We already need a site link. That's perfect. Then done and continue. Okay, so in this way you can add a new ad group of your campaign. So based on your keyword, you should create a multiple ad group. So thank you so much. If you are like this video, then subscribe my channel. If you need any help for your Google ad, let me contact. I will help you because I work remotely as a freelancer. Thank you so much for watching this video.